We finally decided to start working on this thing again. It's my daughter's 99 Warrior 350. I took it up north from where we are, up Tug Hill. It's a big area where it's just nothing but trails, riding, roads that you can ride on, all dirt roads. We went up there for a poker run. Basically go to all kinds of restaurants and bars and pick up poker cards, and whoever has the best hand at the end of the night wins a prize, a grand prize, or money prizes, or some other prize. And we ended up winning the grand prize of the night, which was $300. Well, my buddy did. I'll insert some pictures right now. So the deal with it is, I was cruising, I was trying to keep up with everyone all day. They were all in Raptors, and this is only a 350, so I was kind of held it wide open the whole time, or most of the time, and I was probably the furthest trail away from our truck of the day, and cruising up a hill about third gear, and it just locked up. So I'm pretty sure, I have a feeling it's one of the bearings in the top end. I think it might be a wrist pin or something, or could even be a crank bearing. There's definitely metal in the oil, and we'll start tearing this thing apart. But I did buy this thing in really good condition. It had all brand new plastics on it. I ended up adding the LED lights because the stock lights are horrible, but these lights are actually awesome. Like $13-14 off of Amazon. It does have some pretty nice wheels on it, nice tires. Everything was like brand new. The motor only had 10 hours on it when I bought it. I killed that pretty quick though. It does have a Banshee adjustable rear axle, and apparently it still extends like another 3 inches, but it rides pretty good as it is. I don't see any reason in changing anything else. Pipe sounds good. Got the White Brothers. Yeah, basically we just got to pull the motor out. Now these motors aren't known for building big horsepower, so I don't think we're going to really do much with trying to pull any more power out of it. Mostly just stock rebuild if possible. We'll see how the cylinder looks. You know, like I said, it's my daughter. She's 11 years old, and this is plenty machine for her. I just didn't have a machine to ride, and I really wanted to go, so I ended up stealing hers. So I think we'll start pulling all the plastics off just to make everything easier access to get to. We'll pull the motor out and probably start tearing that down, and yeah, see where we end up. We're good. Alright, so I just pulled the drain plug, and there's definitely quite a bit of metal. It's like a metal soup in there, and chunks and flakes, so definitely think I ate a bearing or a few.
Yeah, you almost killed us on that. That was funny. You almost rolled us over on that one.
Yeah, I had to buy her the four-wheeler because she's like, I pulled straight A's, what are you getting me? I want to do a four-wheeler. Alright.
Well, you got me a dirt bike, but then I whiskey throttled into a bush.
Yeah, I got 2 dirt bikes. One was just way too big.
That was at 125.
So it was a 150 RB. And since it was an RB, it was basically the power of a 250 on a 150 chassis. Like, the bike was stupid fast. And but I got a pit bike with it, and she kept crashing the pit bike, so I was like, there's no way she's riding the 150. So then I sold both of those, bought this, got a mini bike, and $400 cash. So I made out pretty good. Off of a, first I started with an old snowmobile, traded that for a motorcycle, put like $500 into the motorcycle, traded that for the dirt bikes. So off of free, I think I did all right.
What is that, a Warrior or a Blast?
Warrior. It's a 99.
Take care, bud. Good luck.
Oh, thank you. Take it easy. Yeah, I'd say that's not good. Definitely pretty chunky in there. That is so bad. Well, I guess we got a broken motor mount. I'll have to weld that back on. Broken motor mount number 2. So we figured out what's wrong with the Warrior engine. Bottom end is a little shot. Piston's fine. Lighting's horrible, but there's a little scratches in the cylinder. The valve is sticking up a little bit. Might have bent the valve. Pretty much just gonna rebuild everything though. So order some parts and we'll get back to it.